devastated actually, because we spent 800 quid on a drone, and we knew we couldn't bring it on the ship, but we thought that we'd get it back when we got in port, but apparently not. So we're not going to see the drone again until we reach Honolulu in 10 days time. So really disappointed about that. Disappointed is a bit of an understatement, but yeah, trying not to like spoil the trip.
We've just been to a beach. It's beautiful, you know, it's quite tidal, so there's a few waves there, nothing major. We were hoping to maybe fly the drone there, but it's within the 5 miles, it's 4.8 miles from the marine base, so strict rules, got to be over 5 miles before you can fly the drone, so we're not going to take a chance. So we're going to move further down, so we're definitely outside of the 5 mile zone, so we'll be back on soon on a new beach.
Hey everyone, so here we are on Kalua Beach, not to be mistaken with Kalua Kona where we were a few days ago on the Big Island. This is on Oahu, and it's going to be the first opportunity that we get to fly the new drone, so let's go down to the launch pad. Inaugural flight of the new GlobeGuys drone. First time here in Hawaii. We've got a few great shots. Battery life is quite short though, so we've only managed to get probably, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes worth of footage, but yeah, it's a great way to capture this beautiful island, or one of the beautiful islands anyway. So we've just spent the afternoon driving along the coastal road in southern Oahu, and we found a great place to fly the drone again. We've managed to get some GoPro footage as well, so you should have seen that already. But then we tried to fly the drone, and for some reason it's not working, or as we like to call it in the airline industry, it's gone tech, or AOG. So apparently the camera isn't connected to the drone, and we're not sure why, so a little bit pissed off about the fact that we've not been able to get some more footage for you using it. So back to Honolulu now, another night in Waikiki. So with an update on our drone dramas, here's the Chief Engineer for GlobeGuys, Ivan Henry.
Thank you, Ryan. So, you know, we've had nightmares on the cruise, not being able to fly the drone. We went to fly it yesterday and it flew, and we got some footage, and you'll see that separately. But then it stopped working. and we didn't know why. So I've been on the phone to GoPro Care this morning. Spent an hour and 15 minutes on the phone to them. They're sending me out a new part. They're trying to get it to us in LA for Friday, so that we can maybe use the drone before we fly home on Sunday. But it's not guaranteed. So we're now in a waiting game. Won't we be able to use the drone and get some footage in LA? Watch this space.